Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this video I will show you which fuses to check in case your front or rear wipers are not working. This video will apply to Town and Country minivans made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. All the fuses you need will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery. This here is the fuse box. You'll have two clips, one here and one here, which you have to press to lift the cover. Once you press them, the cover will go up, and on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram as well. First fuse you want to check is fuse number J20, which is a 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for the power to the front wipers. Front wiper low and high. So this is your main front wiper fuse. Okay, and you will have two fuses to check for the rear wipers. That will be fuse number M30, which is a 15 amp blue fuse right here, responsible for power to the rear wiper module, and the fuse number M24, which will be 25 amp fuse, responsible for power to the rear wiper motor. Now it's gonna be located right here. My minivan is equipped with wheelchair accessible equipment, so it's a bit different. It's rerouted, but your fuse is gonna be right here, and it's gonna be 25 amp fuse, and I will also show you that on a diagram. So if you look at it here, this is the fuse number M24. Once again, it's gonna be right here. If all the fuses prove to be good, next thing to look at would be the switch itself. If that proves to be good as well, then I would start looking into the wiring and the wiper motors themselves. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there's lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.